Join us on the road to the DMVCAs.
Welcome.
Thank you for having me. I hope I didn't make you late.
No. No, you didn't. You didn't. I was Letsholonyane.
Yes.
Legai.
Kisha.
Where?
I'm good.
Am I not happy? So I'm going to ask you a few questions and you're going to answer with love and
Of course.
personality.
Yes.
What's going on with you?
Woo! What is not going on with me?
Sure.
At this moment, I'm excited. I'm going back into radio. So that's the one big thing I'm very, very excited about. Yeah, back into radio, you know. How did me and my husband meet? Whoo-wee. We met at the Comedies' house, officially.
Okay.
Yeah. I think he thought, wait the king, this is my chance.
How a guy?
Yes.
Okay.
My husband never proposed to me. He sent a letter to my family. He did it the old school way.
Oh, that's cool.
He did it the old school way.
Now, your relationship.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's talk about that. Give me a movie title or a series.
A movie title. One of my favorite movies of all time. It's not a very popular movie, but I loved the book. And when the movie came out, I fell in love with it. P.S. I love you.
Who's your celebrity crush? No, let it be Mzansi celebrity crush.
Yo, but I know this is gonna sound bad. I don't have a local celebrity crush. I really don't. And it's purely because my celebrity crush overseas, and it's a female. She's married, she's sexy, she's like only that thing, man.
That thinking. Who's your favorite actor or actress, internationally and locally?
Sure. Johnny Depp is an exceptional thespian.
Yes.
You know, he can throw any role at him. He kills it. You know, so I love him for his versatility. Locally, Cindy Zatu.
Yes. Mapiano or Gom?
I was never a fan of Gom.
Okay.
So my piano had me. Got December. It was. Yeah, no, Shem. You know, everything was just trying.